and welcome to the WeatherWorks FMS Getting Started tutorial series. Today's topic, login and navigation. Are you ready? Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser. I'll use Google Chrome. Select the address bar and navigate to weatherworksadvantage.com. Once there, click the Login button. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password. Enter your registered email address, then click the Reset Password button. Since we know our login credentials, we'll go back. We'll enter our email address and password, then click the Sign In button. Welcome to the WeatherWorks FMS dashboard. You will default to this page every time you enter the system. The dashboard gives us an immediate overview of all the weather threats affecting our business. We'll go more in-depth on the features and functionality of each section in separate Getting Started videos. For now, let's focus our attention on navigating the main areas of the app. We'll go ahead and click on Sites. The Sites page provides a complete list of all sites you have in the system. Next up is the Forecasts page. It provides your local forecast or an alternate default if you haven't allowed the app to know your location. It works in tandem with the search field in the navigation. With this search field, you can find immediate forecasts for any city, state, zip code, or site name in the system. We'll enter New York, New York, for example. Make note of My Current Weather. If allowed, provide your current local conditions as a user. Depending on your role, you may or may not see this next section. The Admin panel provides company admins with the ability to manage your subscription, sites, users, and report settings. The bell icon provides a convenient unread count and when clicked takes us to the notifications page where we highlight threat and event activity in the system. The user icon, when clicked, takes us to the profile management page where we can manage our personal user profile details and preferences. And finally, we have the logout icon that when clicked securely exits the system. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and we look forward to seeing you in the next.